Hello learners, welcome back to Dronatech Arduino tutorial series. In this second episode of Arduino tutorial series, we will learn about basic tools installation and their setup. So let's begin with Arduino IDE installation first. To start Arduino IDE installation, first we have to download the setup file for Arduino IDE. For that you have to go to Arduino official website, open this link, and then inside the downloads if you will see, here we have Windows. For Windows we have the setup and all. So click on this window and just download this. So if you will see, it is downloading 161 MB of Arduino setup. So let's wait till this download is completed. So learners, here we have downloaded this setup file. Let's run it and install the Arduino IDE. So just we have to do some accept some license agreements and install it. So learners, here our installation is complete. Let's launch this Arduino IDE. So we have launched our Arduino IDE, and if you'll see, the basic code structure will be like this. I have two functions, void setup and void loop. Setup will be for configuration and loop will be for continuous execution. We will discuss these programming things in the next lecture. So this was all about the Arduino IDE installation. Hello learners, now let's discuss about Proteus 8 installation. So Proteus 8 software will be used for circuit simulation, like you can see in the current screen. So let's discuss the installation of that tool first. To install the Proteus 8 professional tool, you can download this software from the link provided in the description box. After downloading, you have to just extract this. So once it is completed, let's go inside and run this setup. Right click and run it as admin. So it has begun the installation setup. Let's click next. I accept the terms and conditions. Next, I will use a locally installed license key. Then click next. We'll do a typical installation and let's install it. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to complete the installation process. Once installation is completed, do not run this, just close it. And post that, what we have to do is we have to copy this bin folder given in the crack version. Now go to your installation folder, that will be by default C drive program files, lab center electronics, and inside Proteus 8 professional we do have bin folder. Only thing is we have to overwrite, so just paste your bin here and replace. Once this replacement is done, we'll go back to our downloads. Similarly, we have to copy these models as well and paste it there in our installation file and replace all the files. Once installation is completed, you will be having this shortcut to launch the Proteus tool. Do this schematic capture, and once you will open, this is our design box where we can design the different circuits. Like you have to search for any electronic item and then you can keep it there. This is one simple circuit of turning on LED with switch. So if you'll see here, when I am pressing the switch, LED gets turned on, and when I am releasing the button, it gets turned off. So similar circuits we will design using our Arduino in this software. So learners, this was all about Proteus 8 professional tool installation. Like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel to get updates on the next episode. that will be about interfacing different components with Arduino and seeing the live circuit output. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.